type of entrepreneurs will get the 50,000 grants from the NYOTA fund?
So, like I said, we have 4 components under the NYOTA program. So under the business support, where we seek to expand employment opportunities, it is in the business support where we are having the 50,000 grants. Again, this is not a loan, so they're not repaying. But the kind of repayment we expect from them is that they succeed in their businesses, so that then their business gives them a sustainable job opportunities. That's a good repayment and returns that we'll be looking forward. And in the future, they get to expand their businesses, so then they can create more jobs to our economy, to also offer opportunities to other young people. So that's the returns that we expect them. And if I was to say, are they going to repay? Yeah, the repayment will be in terms of the returns and the success of their business, because then this will have a multiplier effect in our economy.
And then now that we're in phase 3, I know the phase 3, okay.